So I just woke up like it is 10:33 in the morning. It is too late, but these both of them are fighting for who is taking shower first. Yes, I am not thinking to take shower right now, but this Goyal, he's saying that he go first. But unfortunately, this guy is also waiting for taking shower. This oh, okay, I have to tell one thing that the hers he is going with his girlfriend Kasol or Lansdowne in Kasol. Lansdowne Masuri, sorry. Okay, he also want to try vlogging. You can't be live because you can't afford because you don't have enough subscriber to do live thing.
I can do from your
Okay, it is good. You can do from my YouTube.
if you get the permission then
Yeah, definitely. Yogesh Patel always stand with his friends. So this Goyal is going for taking shower. He win the match.
चौदह आ गया कि 15 15 ज्यादा नहीं मेरा
No, don't worry. If and he definitely do some
हमारे दो कमरे उसमें दिए ऊपर 14 दिए
discount.
तीन कमरे हमारे उसमें हैं सिंगल पीजी में यार
So they both are discussing about
तू कह दो तीन
on which PG we have to shift. Not PG, like actually we have to see 1 hour ke room because in PG we can't settle down easily. We want full freedom in room.
वो तो मुझे पता बना बढ़िया है ना
ठीक है मतलब
इससे बढ़िया कि ये जैसे
So oh, one thing
दीवार वगैरह सही है
I don't know why my stomach
सीलन
is
तो नहीं है
paining.
दीवार में।
I thought I eat something unregular things or unhealthier things. So
क्या कैसी थी
it's like it's been 2 days. It's been 2 days, but oh, the excitement of this guy. Look. See the excitement of this guy.
चूतिया है
No worry.
मैं भी चलाया था
I was there, but I went to
वहाँ चुत गई जल्दी जा बहन तो
his room. Yes, just ask him. Just ask him. I went to his room and surround all around the room.
अराउंड मान चूत कराउंड
Okay. So what I am telling about the medicine thing. Medicine thing that like I thought in my stomach some bacteria were there. That's why it was paining. And sometimes like gas and all. What do you want to listen more? As I saw a video of Sonia Gandhi house in a reel, like it was from Italy, a guy from Italy who captured the video. So on the flag, it is literally a big thing that on a flag in another country written a name of a Indian people. So
तुम्हें सबसे बढ़िया मुख्यमंत्री कौन सा लगता है
according to me, my favorite Mukhyamantri,
चीफ मिनिस्टर
Chief Minister.
मैं बताऊं
No, I thought currently I don't know his name, but the Kerala Chief Minister. I don't know his name. The Kerala Chief Minister is also a cool guy. But if you think that I can give a name from Hindi belt,
नॉर्थ साइड
north side,
so I will give definitely say
that
Aditya Yogi
okay. Yogi is my favorite.
But in my south, I think Chandrababu Naidu is much better than.
Definitely Yogi is my favorite, but from last 1 or 2 months, I don't like that guy because now he has not that much courage.
He didn't speak anything like.
Huh. Definitely, I like Yogi because he have much more courage than Narendra Modi in every segment. He always talk truth, not like Narendra Modi. He was lying and lying and lying, but nowadays he was also doing the same things. Mananiya Mukhyamantri, Mananiya Pradhan Mantri ka, and all the things, all the Chatukarita things. He never do such things. I don't know why he was doing right now. I saw a very good politician on him, but now it is not like that. He is completely changing. So uh, Ashok Gehlot is also a very good chief minister. No, but currently he was not in the power. Okay, sorry. So I have to think. I was thinking, but I am not getting any. All the politicians are like, they are just. I don't know why these politicians, why we Indians not create any boundaries for them. Only they are creating boundaries for us, but we Indians, we are not creating any boundaries for them. This is our fault. We have to do such things that they are in like limit. They are just doing get together things and doing rally all the time. They are doing something like they are going to some marriages, like they are doing the silly things. What we can do with this, like if they were going to any marriages or Mel Malao Samaro, whatever. I don't think so. Like I am not into that kind of politics that where people think they are good. Many people think they are like, they treat like a god, but the god the god is doing such a nonsense thing that even devil can't do. uh, you have any question regarding me? Ask, please ask.
I don't have any.
No, just ask any question.
What is the biggest fear?
What is the biggest fear? Oh, that is literally a different kind of question into my segment. Biggest fear. I can't. My biggest fear is like, maybe losing the family for now. Yes. For now, losing the family. Is it? It's satisfied
Yeah.
for losing the family.
I think most of the people are fearing this type of things, right? They are very attached with our family, so that's the thing. Mostly, men are most attached with our parents, and
Okay. And like the question is very good, but I don't think rather than family or loved ones, what are the biggest fear? The exact question was like this.
I think both. I think I think after marriage, like if you get married to someone.
No. I just modify the question. Rather than like family or colleagues or all those things. Rather than, what is your biggest fear?
To losing the family first, and then partner.
No, rather than all those relations.
My friends.
Okay, good.
One of my
I am impressed.
one of my closest friend like Yogesh Patel from Piparia, Sandhya.
Yes, 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 yes.
He is very-
Definitely.
he is very-
It makes me very happy.
He's very cool person and he is very chill and it's a very down to earth person. After
Thanks,
achieving
thank
all
you.
of these things,
What kind of achievement I have, I don't know. Even I don't know.
you can achieve everything if
Okay.
you want, from your bottom of your heart.
Okay, definitely. So as Harsh told me about how much he loved me, it is like man-to-man conversation. Oh,
अरे मैं ये कह रहा हूँ अपन ऐसी कन्वर्सेशन कल क्या करेंगे?
okay. So he was thinking like
YouTube पर डाल
he was thinking to conversation be like this.
क्यों YouTube पे प्रैक्टिस?
Okay, don't worry. We can upload this video. But I talk some nonsense politics things.
नहीं
Like
अपन क्या करेंगे?
people don't like that
सुनो तो,
things.
अपन बढ़िया उनके लिए बनाया करेंगे जैसे इनको इंग्लिश कम समझ में
For
आता है
whom?
और अपने-
Even I don't understand that much English sometimes. But our accent is definitely totally different thing. Sometimes it happen because of the accent. We can't understand the British or American accent. For me, like speaking slow English is much better to speak in Hindi. It will increase my listening power, talking power, thinking power. What I do? Actually, I
What
do.
can I do?
No.
What are you?
Before I do, like, I speak a very fast English because of.
When during the time of you are practicing on Telegram.
Yes, during the time of
in Indore.
practicing the. Yes,
Those
yes.
time I think your English is very fluently.
Yes. I don't know what this happen. If I
But-
talk continue for 7 or 8 days.
Actually, your brain is your brain is uh, able to think after 7 to 8 days in English. Like
Yes.
If you
When we practice or when we talk for 7 to 8 days, the English will come definitely out of our tongue or.
your tongue is familiar with this language. Like
But the very first rule of the English, we have a lot of.
environment is much essential to speak, communicate in English. Like
It
is very essential.
Environment.
Environment, because English you can learn English from book, from tuition, from teaching. If you speak daily every day, if you listen daily every day in English, like you can watch your friends movie and all. If you read one page
When I see the Friends, oh my God, I was thinking that
have you watched Friends?
yes, I have completed the Friends two
How-
times.
how many episodes you completed? Like
All I don't know. Like first I was watching that series,
one
so
of my friends is suggesting me to watch Friends.
it is a must-watch series, and it is a definitely a very top series,
I
top-notch
think,
series.
As per my understanding, it is a Tarak Mehta of Hindi, English.
Yes, definitely. It is a Tarak Mehta of
Of English.
English. What happened in when I was watching that series?
In British,
When
everyone is watching
when
as
I-
Tarak Mehta in India.
yes, when I started that series, so only the first episode. I'm not saying about season. I'm saying about first episode. So I can't complete the first episode on 3 days because I am not getting any interest on that. Then
After completing the first season, you are very attracting to watch.
I am talking about episode, not season. Then I see the second episode, then third.
Do you know I have a subscription of Disney Hotstar. Disney Friends is available. You can also watch if you.
I have watched, and Friends. I also have that Disney Hotstar thing.
Hey, Bhopri wale.
Hey, you Goel, come out, man, come out.
Come out, baby, come out.
So where I was.
चप्पल देखा लगा है?
So Harsh has buy some sleepers.
अच्छी लग रही है?
okay. Like it was nice.
सही है बताओ
Which he was too smart that he was saying me that first I can wear.
बस मैं मुझे जूडो से एक शर्ट लेके आनी पड़ेगा
No, yaar, I don't think so you have to buy this kind of sleeper.
बेकार लग रही है ना
No, not bekar, like but you you have to buy Crocs or something like that things. Why you try these things?
First I have Crocs in my car. Then after delivery.
I like Crocs on directly only from Crocs. I like only
But
that.
this is not good.
Yeah, definitely it is looking good.
It is looking decent, I think.
Yes. Okay, so let me think some new. I didn't brush right now also. Like I have to brush. But I was thinking to take medicine before that because my stomach is paining too much.
तेरा कहीं आना है मुझे बोल चड्डी उतार के
So see how boys are.
It's too much good yaar. Is it so big bum?
Hey, don't do such thing because I have to upload all those things on YouTube.
Yes. I am talking about his bum. His bum is very sexy, bro. Very sexy.
I don't know your mama. Your mama also subscribed my channel.
Oh my god. You can vlog.
But nobody wants to see this kind of whole video because
You can do one more thing. You can edit an emoji in our face. So like. Have
No,
your
I don't want to.
Silliness.
I don't want to do such things. I want a real open chit chat things. So one day we will be speaking that much fluently because when audience target us, they were saying that, oh, you guys can't speak a single sentence properly. See, my little hairs are growing. This. Okay, so
पता है मैं अपने बालों के लिए जिम मंगा रहा हूँ फिर
what are you?
curly hair fix.
I don't know this guy why he always like talking about hairs and hairs.
I don't like our hair because
He's having a very good hairs, but he use a lot of shampoo, conditioner, shampoo, serum, taking medicines. Even though he's having a very good hairs, no one can say that the man doesn't have any like problem with
But
hair.
I think my hair is good because I am using this type of products. Maybe.
I don't know why product you are using, but sometimes I feel like my hairs are not good, but I am totally like ignore them. Later on, I was doing very like taking medicines and all those things, but now I am like I don't know. I don't want to do anything. I just if things are going worst, then I will be transplant. Doing things like
Transplant is what?
transplant is a better option than taking tension. I don't know. I completely ignore all those things. No, I don't want to.
Transplantation works.
Yes, my brother has done those things. No. One of my brother Devendra.
We can.
There are such many things like PRP sessions and
It's too expensive.
no, not that much expensive. And that each thing like there was a animal like I don't know what we say that this much that each and Ayurveda, they use the little animal.
What is animal?
Little, not an animal, mammal, not mammal. I don't know the exact word. That during the rain, sometimes we see in the ground that that was running, that black things, black. So they put on our head. It will suck our blood. So because of that, our blood,
The flow of blood.
the flow of blood will increase.
Yeah, will increase.
So as of now, today the 20-minute video is completed. So I am thinking to, or you, okay, let's say bye to our followers and subscribers. Okay, bye. Hey, don't do, man. I don't know. It was. This man is like sometimes he will be crazy. I don't know why he was showing his chest and all.
I have two boobs. One is bigger, one is small.
Oh, what a magic! What a miracle! One is smaller boobs and the one is in the time of when we have to sing is in the different gender, but he was so okay. I can't say things on. We were waiting for the Goyal when he came out.
I am waiting for a shower. One of my friend is going to take shower,
Because
but it is taking too much time
that was the only guy who have to go office first.
because he is going to office like after taking the shower. Actually, right now I didn't go to office because I left my organization. I am find out a new company, but nowadays the competition is too much. So like yeah, but
You know guys, those they both people, Goyal and this, they are earning too much, like more than 2 lakh per month. You know. Oh, okay. Tell me how. Oh, I just take shower only. That's it. I don't use any mug or bucket.
नहीं तुझे पता है क्या तुझे पता तो मुझे पता है
I desperate.
What desperate? What are you saying, man? You know that? What are you saying?
No, I am saying silliness things.
सीरियसनेस
Silliness. I respect your desperate. I respect your spirit.
जाओ ये जा
I respect.
Oh, you talk too much English, man. You have completed your English.
Yes.